So at this stage, I would like to give you your first comfort challenge. And I know you must be pretty excited, maybe even a little bit anxious. But don't worry, as I said, we're going to take baby steps, we're going to start small to build massive success in long term. So your first comfort challenge is to approach 15 strangers every single day for the next 3 days and ask them for directions all the time. That's all, that's it, okay? I don't want you to initiate any conversations. I don't want you to think about any techniques at this stage. I don't want you to build any attraction. It doesn't matter. The only purpose of this comfort challenge is to push your comfort zone to go out there and reach out to people you don't know. So essentially, you may be walking on the street and somebody's walking from the other side and you just say, "Hey, sorry, do you know what time is it?" "Oh, cool, perfect, thanks a lot." And then maybe after the 5th time, you will get enough courage to ask for the directions because it's a bit more complicated, right? It may actually require some small talk, some small conversations. "Hey, sorry, do you know how to get to the city hall? Do you know where's that supermarket?" Or whatever. You can ask about anything, okay? Even if you know the city very well, they don't know that you live there. They don't know that you know the city. So ask about anything. And what's going to happen is that your first approach may make you feel a little bit uncomfortable. Even if you are already pretty confident, maybe this course already helped you a lot and you feel that you can manage this, still it will make you feel a little bit uncomfortable because in our everyday lives we usually don't speak to strangers. How many times do you speak to strangers? Not too many times. So it's going to push you, but what you're going to realize is that the more approaches you do, the more times you ask a stranger for the time or for the directions, the more comfortable you feel. Remember my example with jumping into cold water? It's exactly the same thing. You jump into this cold water, you jump over and over and over again, and then finally it becomes warm. So what you may notice is that on the 2nd or maybe the 3rd day when you are doing the 15th approach, you feel like it's not a big deal. It's like part of your nature. Hey, what's up? What time is it? You don't feel anything in your stomach. And that's what we want to create. We want to build this foundation so you know how it feels to reach out to strangers. And later on, we will build on this foundation. So go ahead and do it.